Hello, I saw your question on the discussion board. How do you find the p-value in question 3 and number 10.2? So you're asking how do you find this p-value given this information? Well, there's different ways. Probably the easiest way is just use StatCrunch. You go in here and you click on Stat, and the menu comes down. Pick Proportion Stat, one summary, one sample with summary. So it's one sample proportion with summary. And so here they say 62 out of 150 have that particular characteristic. So I entered 62 and 150. Then your hypothesis, P, proportion P is 0.45. So I put in 0.45, and your alternative hypothesis is less than 0.45. And so I had to put the less than. And if you can click compute, it'll give you this p-value, and you just need to round it to 4 decimal places. Hope this helps.